techies and professionals. In a significant legal development, RealPage, a Texas-based property management software company, has filed a federal lawsuit against the City of Berkeley, California. The lawsuit challenges a newly enacted ordinance that prohibits landlords from utilizing AI-driven rent pricing algorithms, with RealPage asserting that this ban infringes upon its First Amendment right to free speech. Background of the ordinance. Berkeley's ordinance, set to take effect on April 24, 2025, is part of a broader movement among municipalities to regulate the use of algorithmic tools in rental pricing. Similar bans have been implemented in San Francisco and Philadelphia, with San Diego also considering comparable legislation. City officials in Berkeley argue that the ordinance is necessary to protect residents from potentially unlawful pricing practices that could arise from the use of AI-driven algorithms. RealPage's position. RealPage contends that its software enhances market efficiency and does not inherently lead to increased rent prices. The company maintains that the prohibition of such technology hampers innovation and violates constitutional rights. In its legal filing, RealPage has requested a temporary restraining order to prevent the ordinance from being enforced, with a court hearing scheduled for April 16, 2025. Existing legal challenges. This lawsuit adds to RealPage's existing legal entanglements, including antitrust lawsuits filed by the U.S. Department of Justice and tenant-led multi-district litigation. These cases accuse the company of colluding with landlords to inflate rents through its pricing software, alleging violations of the Sherman Act. Implications for the rental housing market. The outcome of RealPage's lawsuit against Berkeley could have far-reaching implications for the regulation of AI and algorithmic tools in the rental housing market. A ruling in favor of RealPage might set a precedent that limits the ability of municipalities to regulate such technologies, potentially leading to increased reliance on AI-driven pricing models by landlords. Conversely, a decision upholding Berkeley's ordinance could empower other cities to implement similar bans, reflecting a growing scrutiny of AI applications in sensitive areas like housing. Conclusion. RealPage's legal challenge against Berkeley's AI rent pricing ban underscores the complex intersection of technology, law, and housing policy. As the case progresses, it will be closely watched by stakeholders across the rental housing market, legal experts, and policymakers, given its potential to shape the future landscape of AI regulation in real estate.